Brothers and sisters, 601 Chairman, Brother Tito Padilla III, Alumni President, Sister Shirley Diaz, Apo Umaret 121 Officers, Council of Elders, especially to Perad, Sis Ebony Martins, to your distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. How I wish I am with you today physically, but to give me a part of your celebration is already an honor. December 16 just passed the other day, but if we talk of December 16, 1925, then it is something different. To stay intact and still going solid and strong, especially in this part of the world and this time of pandemic with so much restriction and things to consider, to live here as in OFW at the same time exercising our cardinal principles, the leadership, friendship, and service, I can tell you are really a part of great men and women of Alpha Phi Omega. Anniversary celebration like this are opportunities for recollections for the year gone by and positive reflections of the year ahead. Those great 95 years has been a challenging and successful years in some many ways. It has been defined by a kaleidoscope of happy memories, supportive friendships, leaderships, and service. Of course, there have also been support and some time that may have been slightly difficult to exist together. Yet, in spite and despite of the odds, stumbling blocks along the way, we still exist together, supportive, encouraging, and enduring. We look forward for another wonderful years at time for leadership, friendship, and service to build and strengthen for forge relationship further. A time to create and cherish even more shared memories. Today, as you celebrate our 95 years anniversary, you valued even more the special people, the founder of the Alpha Phi Omega, the organizer of your alumni association, and your members that you are able to share this occasion with. Doesn't matter where you go in life, or what you achieve, or what you do. What matters most is the Alpha Phi Omega way, and who's besides you along the way. Happy 95 founding anniversary. Thank you, Apo Umaret 121, for being a part of Army, and may you ever more supportive in the years to come. Mabuhay ang Apo Umaret 121, mabuhay ang nag-iisang Alpha Phi Omega Philippines Incorporated. Cheers! Yes.